This video is brought to you by FlowSend. The Flow Mail app. Send branded emails from Shopify Flow with your own SMTP, liquid templates, and delivery logs. Link in the description. Missing vendors, blank SKUs, and empty product types, break reports, and feeds. Ask Sidekick to catch incomplete listings the moment they are created. Sidekick builds the Flow product created trigger, 3OR checks the incomplete listing tag, and a merchandising alert. The draft is ready. If vendor, product type, or variant SKU is empty, Flow tags incomplete listing and emails your merchandising team with what is missing. Open Tag Incomplete Product Listings in Shopify Flow. Product created starts the workflow. Then the condition gates every action. 3OR checks vendor empty, product type empty, or all variant SKUs empty. True continues. False stops. On the true path, Flow adds the incomplete listing product tag. Then it sends an internal email with product details, missing fields, and a direct admin link. Replace staff at example.com and turn the workflow on. In admin, the product shows the incomplete listing tag until vendor, product type, and SKU are filled in, before bad data hits reports and automations.